Hey y'all, got a quick haul for y'all. Today is Sunday, May the 4th, y'all. So today I got up and I got up this morning, thankfully. Anyways, this afternoon I had I think I told y'all my daddy's birthday is the day before mine, which is today. So I never done a balloon release at his grave, at his gravesite. And so today, me and some of the family went out there and we did a balloon release. It was really nice. So that's what we did today. And then went visiting with just, a couple of other, my grandparents. And yeah, so I left there and y'all, I went to Marshall's. I ain't see nothing. Went to Home Goods. I ain't see nothing. And I'm like, you know what? The stores, I don't know if it's because of what's going on right now in the world. They can't get their orders and stuff in when they put them in. But child, oh, I got some nice stuff for my birthday already though. But I ain't going to share that with y'all right now. But the quick little personal haul I wanted to share real quick. Some panty liners. Feminine spray. Body scrub, and this is the Bodycology, and I never used this brand before, but the watermelon splash, it smells so good, y'all. So body scrub, bar soap, love bar soap, and I got me some bubble bath, Dr. Teal's. So yeah, that was it for that. But yeah. So, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to hop on. I wasn't planning on being gone as long as I've been gone. I've been gone all day. Basically, I've been gone all day since about 2:30. I've been gone. And it's almost 11 o'clock right now. And so, I'm just tired. I started cleaning up before I even left and went to do that at the cemetery. But I just been on a run. And then I ended up at my oldest son's house for a couple hours over there. But I'm whipped. But I do want to finish what I started earlier, and then I'm go to bed. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on real quick and just let y'all know what was going on, cause I was planning on editing and everything today, like putting a video out. I ain't do nothing, y'all. So please forgive me. So, but anyways, and I ain't even send my Shein order off. I ain't did nothing. So I'm gonna have to start all over between tomorrow and Tuesday. So, all right, I'll talk to y'all. Hey, YouTube family and friends, welcome back. So, y'all, I'm outside of my garage, and my garage is not a finished garage, as y'all already know, some of y'all. But anyways, I just wanted to come out. I think I shared with y'all my ferns and stuff like that I purchased, but I just went to Hobby Lobby this morning, and let me tell y'all what I did. Let's start all over. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day, y'all. So listen, I was outside early working in my yard because my lawn service people will be here tomorrow. So I went out and edged my sidewalk and started pulling the weeds from out of the mulch. So my battery ended up dying because I never charged it. It's my first time using the weed whacker since the end of the season, last season. And so I still got the end of my where it's like landscaped at, to where the gutter, like the little spout come out at. Just gonna do all the way to there. Just it don't take me but like a minute to do that little part that's left, and then along this side of this fence. But anyways, so in the meantime, in between time, I ended up changing my clothes and everything, and I ran to Lowe's because I saw the Lily of Valley plants in there, and I thought they was a little bit bigger than what I saw when I was in there, but they wasn't a bad size. But they were $30 a piece. I thought they was $35, but they had plants like $30 on up. Some really nice ones. I'm gonna go back for some for my patio. But y'all know I told y'all how the front of my house be. the sun sits right in front of my house. And so I really wanted to do the artificial plants this year, but I said, you know, I didn't want to order like the little colorful plants like they've been advertising on TV. I didn't want that for the front of my house. So that's the reason why I ended up getting the ferns. And I said, every time I buy ferns for the front of my house, I love ferns. That's one of my favorite plants. I end up putting them in the back, and because they'll die in the front, they'll get burnt and crispy. And I always put them in the back with the other ones, and then they come back to life. So with that being said, a lot of talking, y'all, a lot of talking. I just cleaned the glass on my door. I'm getting ready to finish up what I just told y'all. And then I'm going to sweep my porch off. And then I'm going to blow my porch off. Because I went to Hobby Lobby after I left there. And I found these beautiful bushels of roses. I don't even know what kind of flower this is. Let me see if it's going to tell me what it is. This is not telling me anything. But all I know is that they were $13.99 each with 40% off. And so I got 6 bundles to put 3 in each flower base. So I bought some dirt to go on top. I went to the Dollar Tree to get some foam, but they didn't have what I was looking for to put on top. So I'm just going to put something else on top of the pots and then pour the dirt on top so I'll be able to stick these inside. So I'll call y'all back when I get to it. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to use my magnolia wreath that I got from the at-home store. This is going to be my 3rd summer using this. I think it's my 3rd summer. That's a little dirty. I need to wash that. I'm going to flip it around. I don't store them. I always keep them in my garage. But anyways, yeah. So I'm using this here. And then I'm going to run in the house and get the rug and put it here. And then put my mat on top of it. No, I'm going to do that last. But I'm going to do that. I wasn't going to put a rug, one of those plastic area rugs out. I usually put mine out every year. But I don't want that brown and black this year. So, if I find one that has green or just a solid black or black and white, then I'll just get that one. But, yeah. This carpet on the porch is outdoor carpet, and it's felt. And so, it's always, it holds moisture for one. And then the other thing is, it's hard to clean off. I just blew the porch, I swept it a little bit, but I even tried vacuuming this before and it just don't pick up. So I'm probably end up putting another rug out here. But you probably can't see like I can see. But y'all, this is the topsoil that I got to go inside of these pots. So because I wanted to stick the flowers in there, I'm going to put some plastic on the bottom of the flowers just in case I don't like it. So just so to protect it from the dirt getting on it. But I'm going to put the dirt inside of these pots to, like I say, to make it look realistic. And, yeah, go from there. So, let me open this dirt and get the pouring, and then go from there. Hey YouTube family, so as you can see, I already poured some of the topsoil into both of the flower pots, both of the urns, and I got the topsoil from Walmart. It was like $2 and something a bag, and so I picked these beautiful rose bundles up from Hobby Lobby. So yes, artificial. I will be using 3 in each pot. As you can see, just one of them is pretty full. I put plastic on the bottom of the stems just in case I don't like them or for some reason I have to return them to the store. I left the tags on them. Now also I just put plastic, like I say, for protection, because I'm sticking them down in the dirt. That's only 2. You see how full it is already with just the 2? Without the pain. Beautiful. I just gotta keep playing around with spreading them out, but I think it's pretty. So, like I said, I bought 6 bundles, and they was $13.99 with 40% off. I got 6 bundles for $52 at Hobby Lobby. So y'all, if you're thinking about doing artificial, don't just think about online. Go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and see what they have.